Hello, happy Monday everybody. Yes, some of the birds are coming in and it's quite pretty. Someone's mowing their lawn though, so it's a bit different. I hope that's not interfering. I was having a chat with Dolly before, but she was listening to the birds outside here. I hope you can hear them. I hope we see a few as well. I have seen a few before I started this video. Well, probably this but the video was getting too long, so oops, just had to make a choice and restart. If I try and chase the birds around and try and capture them, it's just going to make us all dizzy and silly. Oh, here's our beautiful girl, Chevy. Hey, Chevy. Hey, darling. You come to say, come outside and say hello. You can hear the birds too. Oh, you're wagging your tails. A happy girl. She's happy she's with her mummy. You happy girl. Zephyr baby. Listening to the birds, aren't we? Getting some fresh air. So yes, happy Monday. Sky watching, bird listening, bird watching. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Hope everyone's going to have an awesome week ahead. And yeah, I'll pop this video up, but you can hear the birds. Dolly was being a bit chatty earlier. Oops, oh good, it almost stopped. So she's up for a chat. I'll definitely tape that. It's so beautiful. I think I've got a few above me, but I can't see them obviously. In the big tree that goes way up. Massive tree. Stand up to any cyclist. Huh, there was one in there. Couple. Yeah. Oh, I think I missed those ones. Oh, okay, now I've got neighbours talking, so I best go now, guys. Birds have settled. And yeah, Dolly wants to chat, so I'll do a video of Dolly as well. All right. Love you all. Bye for now.